W6RIP. Heading up to Timber Mountain. Heading up Icehouse Canyon Trail. And nice, very nice trail so far. Seen lots of YouTube videos on it. So there's plenty out there on the trail. A lot of water, as you probably just saw, and there's a spring up here. I brought about 2 liters with me, just that's normal. I got an 8-mile hike ahead of us today. Yeah, about a little over 4 miles up, a little over 4 miles back. So. That's pretty awesome. Cabin right there. Down into the rocks. Rocks built up around a little room right there, the door coming out right into the water. Pretty sweet. The Columbine Spring. Wow, a water faucet. Made it. Perfect. W6 RIP, Whiskey 6, Romeo, India, Papa, calling CQ, 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 summits on the air.
Kilowatt Zero, Radio Sugar calling, Kilowatt Zero, Radio Sierra.
Kilowatt 0, Radio Sugar, you are a 5656, over.
Okay, thanks, Kevin. You're 55, 5 and 5 in Colorado, okay?
Okay, Roger, Roger, the 5-5 in Colorado. Thank you and good talking to you again. W6 RIP, summits on the air. Is it Whiskey 7, come back? Okay, November Whiskey 7 Echo, you are a 5656 on top of Timber Mountain, over. Okay, Roger, Roger, the 5-5, copy the 5-5, thank you, good talking to you again, 7-3. Is that November 0 Tango Alpha, summit to summit? Okay, Roger, nice. November 0 Tango Alpha. Did you get my information on the soda spotter? Okay, copy the 5-5 in Colorado. You are also 5-5, 5-5, 55, over.
Roger, thank you very much. Have a good one. N0TA, 73.
Thank you, N0TA. Come back again with your summit, please.
My summit is Whiskey 0 Charlie / Fox Romeo 054. Whiskey 0 Charlie / Fox Romeo 054.
Okay, copy. Whiskey 0 Charlie Foxtrot Romeo 054. Copy.
That's a good copy. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you for the summit in 7-3. Kilo 6 Mike Whiskey. Kilo 6 Mike Whiskey. You are a 5-5-55, over. Okay, copy the 5-5 into Washington. Thank you for Washington. W6 RIP 7-3. Hey, Alpha Romeo Victor. Kilo 9 Alpha Romeo Victor. Do you copy W6 RIP? Hey, bugs. Tony, I hear you. Tony, Kilo 9 Alpha Romeo Victor, I hear you. Copy, copy. You are a 2-2-2-2-22. Over. Hear you, Tony. Kilo 9 Alpha Romeo Victor, I hear you. Copy, copy. You are a 2-2-2-2-22-22. Over. Kilo 9 Alpha Romeo Victor, you are a 2-2-2-2-22. Over.
Negative. I'm in Oklahoma. I'm probably halfway between you, but I can hear him and I can hear you. He's calling you.
Okay, Roger, Roger. Let him know that I can hear him. Let him know I can hear him. He's running probably 100 watts. I'm running 12. Let him know I can hear him, please. Okay, this is W6RIP. Go ahead. Whiskey 5. Come back again. Whiskey 5. I have to put my headphones on. Whiskey 5, India, Juliet Hotel. Is that you? Okay, copy, Jeff. Copy, Jeff. You are a 333333. Over. The band's kind of falling. Who's there? Whiskey 5, India, Juliet Hotel. Whiskey 5, India, Juliet Hotel. You are a 333333. Over. Shoot. I copy you. Copy, copy. Whiskey 5, India, Juliet Hotel. This is Whiskey 6, Romeo, India, Papa. You are a 3333. Over. Shoot. Whiskey 5, India, Juliet Hotel. Whiskey 5, India, Juliet Hotel. Do you copy? Whiskey 6, Romeo, India, Papa. India, Juliet Hotel. India, Juliet Hotel. You are a 333333. Over. Can't hear me. Oklahoma. I know what's going on. What could I do? Try that again. Okay, I copy the summit to summit. Go ahead. Okay, I got a kilo, I'm sorry, kilo echo or kilo x-ray? Okay, I got a kilo x-ray 0 Romeo. You are a 4444. Over. Okay, QSM W6RIP. And I heard a 7 Papa in there. November Sierra 7 Papa, you are a 5757. Over. Okay, copy the 44. Good talking to you again. 7-3. Whiskey 5, India, Juliet Hotel. Whiskey 5, India, Juliet Hotel. You are a 22222222. Over. India, Juliet Hotel. Do you copy? W6RIP. Trying, brother. Should just got that contact. We got the contact. You did the relay. Shouldn't exchange the signal report. I can hear you.
Kilo Golf 6, Oscar Kilo India.
Kilo Golf 6, Oscar Kilo India. Nice to hear, brother. You are a 5757, over.
Oh, very good. Yep, I was surprised to hear you this close on 20 meters, so thought I'd stop by and give you some points. Your all you need signal report. You're 5.8, 5.9 down here.
Oh, copy the 5.8. Right on. Yeah, I just had to get up and get out. This is about a 4.5 mile hike up here. You know where Timber Mountains, right? Right?
Yep, I'm under my feet yet.
Cool. Yeah, right up Icehouse Canyon. It is a nice hike. 4.5 miles, nice hike, and weather's really nice today too.
Oh, very good. Well, you got a lot of people calling. I'll get out of the way and go back and see if I can. There's some new CW stations listed. See if I can't get them. So have a good one up there. W6RIP, KB60 yeah.
Okay, Roger, Roger, Mark, and take care. I'll catch you later. W6 RIP. Summit's on the air. Whiskey 5, India Juliet Hotel. Whiskey 5, India Juliet Hotel. Do you copy W6 RIP? Okay, Roger, Roger, here we go. Copy the 4-4, copy the 4-4. You are also 4-4-4-4. Over. Yeah, copy. Thank you for the relay on that, and yeah, I ended up getting a message from him in Twitter. Yeah, I copied him everything he was saying, but he couldn't hear me. But thank you for that, and the van fell out after that. Oh, it sounds like the band fell out again. Shoot. Well, it sounds like the band fell out again just now, so nice that we got that window in there. Good job, brother. I turned one of my radiating leg more in an easterly direction. I was kind of like northeast, and now I'm more like east, so that did the trick. But the van came up, the van went down, so bummer on that.